Struggling to manage and harness the power of your lead data? We're tackling this issue in this episode of Elevated. Now, if you're here, chances are you've got your leads neatly compiled in your system. The big question? What's next? Let's talk about the art of using sales system data to drive your kitchen and bath design business forward. Systems are incredibly powerful, but sometimes the challenge lies in knowing what to do with all that information once you got it. You've invested time and effort into getting those leads into the system. Now it's time to put that data to good use, helping you make informed decisions and optimize your potential for increased profitability on every project. Imagine having a bird's eye view of your entire operation where you can monitor the progress of each lead, identify bottlenecks, and spot growth opportunities. That's the power of centralizing your data within a sales system. However, business owners often find themselves swamped with other tasks, and they overlook the process of regularly interacting with this valuable information. So, let's discuss how you ensure that your leads within your system are powering that greater profit. As a business owner, you may typically check in on your sales process once a month, along with the profit and loss statement and financial bookkeeping to keep your business on track. However, when you're focusing on leads or sales, it might be beneficial to increase the frequency of your check-ins. If you're running ad campaigns or making any kind of investment in lead generation, or if you're experiencing a slower design season, consider weekly check-ins. At the very least, you'll want to schedule monthly check-ins. Now, how do you make this process seamless? You don't always have to dive directly into your sales system to access this information. Many systems can be set up to send you regular email updates. Well, that's not my top recommendation. It's a convenient option for some. Alternatively, you can have a customized dashboard or report configured to provide you with the essential data. Stay tuned on more details on dashboards in upcoming episodes. If you prefer not to handle compiling the data yourself, you can delegate the task to someone on your team. They can extract the necessary numbers for your review. If you're comfortable working with spreadsheets, you can manually input the data, and for ease of access, consider creating a custom Chrome browser session with links to key web pages for your weekly check-ins. The important thing is to incorporate this process into your routine to make it as effortless as possible. I can't stress enough how crucial it is to streamline this process. In upcoming episodes, we'll explore essential key performance indicators and metrics to consider incorporating into your dashboard. By regularly monitoring your sales data and taking informed action, you'll be well on your way to leveraging the full potential of your sales system. In the next few episodes, we'll spend some time breaking down the tasty data you can extract from the great sales system. Sure, we're going to use terms like KPIs, metrics, dashboards, but I promise to make it easy to understand and take action on. Hire Help, my book on how to use experts to shortcut improvement, growth, and capacity is now available. Get all the details and buy it by going to hirehelpbook.com. Was this episode helpful? Take a moment to rate and review this podcast. Rating helps other kitchen and bath design owners discover our episodes.